Hi everyone, in this video I will show how you can fix USB not recognized problem on Samsung Galaxy A06. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.